everyone. I'm here to present a speech about our dearest sir and of course our class. Dear sir, today is a day filled with emotions, excitement for the future, gratitude for the past, and a deep sadness knowing this is our last day in your class. For years, you've been more than just our maths teacher. You've been our storyteller, our comedian, and most importantly, someone who never gave up on us, and no matter mistakes we make. Your teaching style was unlike any other. While most teachers focus on numbers, you made sure we had fun along the way. Your funny stories about your past life made even the hardest lessons enjoyable. No matter how lost we were, you always found a way to bring us back, even if it meant explaining the same thing 5 times with the patience of a saint. And of course, we will always be the Happy Cows Farm. You gave us the name because despite making countless mistakes, we never stopped trying. We may not have always gotten the answers right, but we always kept going. And that, to you, was what truly mattered. You taught us that learning is not just about being perfect, but about growing, improving, and never losing our spirit. Personally, sir, this is a farewell is extra special for me, as I was your first student, the first one to step into class at the end of grade 8, completely unaware of the incredible journey ahead. And now, as we reach the end of grade 11, preparing to step into new chapters of our lives, it feels impossible to say goodbye to someone who has been such a big part of our journey. Sir, if there's one thing you taught us beyond maths, it's that mistakes don't define us. Our willingness to learn them does. You showed us patience, kindness, and the power of service, and for that we will always be grateful. As we walk away from this classroom for the last time, we take with us not just lessons, but memories of the laughter, the inspiration you have given to us. No matter where life takes us, we will always remember the teacher who made us believe in ourselves, even if we struggle to believe in our own answers. Thank you, sir, for everything. We may be leaving this happy cow farm, but we will always carry a part of it with our lives. So, by using my very small, special poem writing skills, I wrote a poem about the Happy Cows Farm. Through numbers, poems, highs and lows, you taught us more than maths, who knows. Not just formulas, charts or lines, but patience, laughter, endless tries. You called us happy cows, so lost, so free, yet full of joys as we should be. Mistakes we made, still you stayed, guiding us through each test we faced. From grade 8 to the end of last day, we've grown, we learned, we found our way. Though we must leave, this truth remains, your lessons leave us in vain. So here we stand with hearts so true, saying not goodbye, but thank you. Thank you for listening.